video is to help you with Excel Project 20. You'll begin by downloading Project 20 from Canvas, and then once that is downloaded, our first instruction is to format our numbers in column B to comma with no decimals. So we're going to go ahead and highlight those numbers there in column B. Go to your number group and click the launcher. Then we'll choose number for our category, change your decimal places to 0, and then put a check mark next to use 1000 separator and click on OK. Everything else for this spreadsheet has already been formatted for you. Now we're going to create a line chart with markers showing our attendance here at the X Games. To do that, we are going to highlight all of columns A and B from A4 to B9. Then we'll go to Insert, and then in the Charts group we'll click on Line, and then a line chart with markers is on the second row, the very first one. We do want to move this to a new page, so we'll go to the Chart Tools Design tab, the Location group, and choose Move Chart. And then for our name of our new chart, let's go ahead and call it Attendance. Now we only have one line on our line chart, so we do not need to have a legend. So we're going to start by going to Chart Tools Layout, and in the Labels group we're going to click on Legend and say None to turn off our legend. And then it also has given us a title already called Attendance. We are going to change that title so that it shows History of the X Games. And remember, that should be in all caps. And then we're going to press Enter and make a subheading. Turn your cap lock off and key in Project 20. Go ahead and highlight your subheading, remove the bold, and change the font size to 12 point for the subheading. Okay, next up it says that our horizontal axis should be identified by year. So we are going to add a label that's in the Labels group, and we're going to go to our Axis Titles and go to Primary Horizontal, Title below Axis. It gives us a little placeholder. We'll highlight the text there and type in year. Then we want to add a vertical axis that says number of people. So we're going to go back to Axis Titles, go to Primary Vertical Axis, and the best one is probably a rotated title, so we'll go ahead and select that. And then it's really hard to select the text on a rotated title, so we're just going to triple click on it to select everything. Click 3 times, and we're going to key in number of people. Okay, next up it says to change our colors and fonts to enhance the appearance of the chart. If we go to Chart Tools Design, you can go to your chart styles, and there are some other options for your chart. You can go ahead and choose one of those if you would like. And then if you'd like to change your font for your main heading, and then you're also going to probably need to change your subheading back to 12 point, and then choose something appropriate for your subheading font if you choose to change that. Okay, Okay, for this one, we will go ahead and add a header. So we'll go to Insert, Header and Footer, Custom Header, and do your name, your class period, and of course the file name. I'm going to do a print preview here to make sure everything looks good on my chart. And if it does, we can go ahead and go to Save As, and then be sure that you change to your student drive, your computer tech folder, your Excel folder, and make sure it's named Project 20. Then we are going to convert the chart to a PDF. And we only have one chart on this one, so you can just call it Project 20 for the PDF as well, and click on Publish. You are now ready to submit your chart to Canvas.